Hi, my lovely Junior Techies. How are you doing? Welcome to today's session. Today, I have brought in some new friends to address you. You will love to work with them to tell me what to do. Welcome, Light Pen, Touchscreen, and Touchpad. Light Pen. I am a pen like device. You can use me to draw or point something of Mr. Computer screen. People wanted to ease their lives. They wanted a device. The on-screen pointer is at the same physical position as the pointing device. Think about a mouse. The mouse is on a flat surface, maybe on your desk. When you move your mouse, the on-screen pointer, let's say this is the on-screen pointer, that also reflects the mouse movement of the mouse. You can touch your mouse with your physical or body parts, but the on-screen pointer you can touch with your physical or body parts. You can touch your mouse in your real world. However, the on-screen pointer, look at this, this is my pointer. This on-screen pointer is not as the same place as the mouse. Mouse is in a different, totally different place. However, the good news is you can use me or the light pen if you want a device. The on-screen pointer is at the same physical position as the pointer device. Here, this is the on-screen pointer. Here's the light pen. You can use the light pen not only to point something, but also to draw something. Look at this, how easy with me. I'm connected to Mr. Computer through a wire code. I have a secret to tell you. I have a detector. It all the time detects for light. It is sensitive for light. Whenever you keep or you go near your screen, the detector lights up and information goes through the light pen and through the code and it gives to the Mr. Computer. Then Mr. Computer can identify exact position. It looks up the position of the light pen. I'm glad to say that my pointing is so perfect. I have a very teeny sharp point, not like your finger. I can point something precisely. Touchscreen. Hello there. I'm Miss Touchscreen. Do not poke me with your fingers. I will take appropriate actions if you tickles me because I'm touch sensitive. I can identify the presence and position of your touch within the display area on me. If you can remember, I'm just like the light pen, but the pointing with the light pen is more accurate than me because light pen has a very teeny sharp point, sharp tip. So the pointing with that is very accurate than me. Your fingers are big like this. You can use me in locations where using a mouse or keyboard is not easy, and an easy to understand interface is required. Perhaps you have seen me in ATM machines, ticket collecting terminals, theaters, and airports. You know, you need some space, physical space to keep mouse or keyboard. Instead of that, you can use your fingers to touch me. It's so easy, it's so convenient for you. And also, I'm on your smartphones too. Touchpad. I am touchpad. I mimic the movement of a mouse. Like the mouse, you can move your finger and apply your finger pressure on me to activate. I am sensitive for your finger movement and the applied pressure on me. Usually, you can see me on your laptop. But if you like, I am available as an individual device which can be connected to your computer, like this. Like the mouse, usually I have two buttons which replaces the left and right mouse buttons. Mouse joystick track or detect the movement of the pointer or some other display symbol. By moving these pointing devices, you can tell me what to do. Light pen, graphic tablet, touchscreen, touchpad track or detect the position of the pointer or some other display symbol. By positioning or locating with these pointing devices, you can tell me what to do. Okay, my junior techies, thank you for being part of this valuable session. Hope to meet you soon with an new and interesting techno session. Stay tuned.